Hello everyone. In this lecture of the Essential Calculus problem series, I will solve this integral. Integral of square root of sine x minus cube root of sine x multiplied by cosine x dx. When the integrand contains a function multiplied by the derivative of that function, we can use substitution. And here we have a function of sine x, and the derivative of sine x is cosine x, and cosine x is multiplied by dx here. Then here we can use substitution method to solve this problem. And the integral is the integral of square root of sine x minus cube root of sine x dx times cosine x dx. We will say that sine x is equal to u here, and derivative of sine x is cosine x times dx is equal to du. Now in the integral we rewrite sine x as u and cosine x dx as du. Okay, yeah. And the integral becomes square root of u minus cube root of u multiplied by du. If we have square root or cube root, we cannot integrate this function here. We will firstly write them as power function to find the integral. Okay, the integral is u to the power of 1 over 2 minus u to the power of 1 over 3 times du. And let's integrate them one by one. If we have a function, power function as x to the n, and to integrate it, we add 1 to the exponent and we divide by the new exponent. Here we have u to the power of 1 over 2. Then we will firstly add 1 to the power exponent and we will divide by the new exponent, and minus we have here u to the power of 1 over 3. We will add 1 to the exponent and we'll divide by the new exponent. 1 over 2 plus 1 is 3 over 2. Then u to the power of 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2 minus u to the power of 1 over 3 plus 1 is 4 over 3 and divided by 4 over 3. Here we will take the reciprocal of 3 over 2 and multiply by 2 over 3, as u to the power of 3 over 2 is square root of u cube minus, and here we will take the reciprocal of this 3 over 4 times, and u to the power of 4 over 3 is cube root of u to the power of 4. And since u is sine x, 2 times square root of sine cube x divided by 3 minus 3 times cube root of sine to the power of 4x divided by 4. And since the integral is an indefinite integral, we will add a constant, see here, and the answer is this. Okay, the answer is this. In the next problem, I will solve this one. 1 over sine x minus 1 over sine square of x cosine x dx. See you in the next video.